Now we're going to play a solo in F. As you see, it says waltz in F. If you look at the key signature, there's a B flat in it. Yes, we are in the key of F, F major. We're using notes from the F major scale, unless we have a natural sharp or another flat sign. We're playing everything in the key of F. The other thing is the time signature. If you notice, we have 3/4. A waltz gets 3 beats. So we have 3 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. The other thing that happens is that we have 2 notes before the double bar line there. It says notes appearing before the beginning measure are called pickups. So here we have 2 pickup notes. And then the first measure. How do you know it's the first measure? Because you see a double bar there. Also, you also know that it's the first measure because you see there are full 3 beats in that measure. The pickup notes are 2 beats. So that's really not a first complete measure. Those are 2 pickup notes before the first measure. Waltz in F. Just about the tempo of this tune, I'm taking it at a moderately slow tempo till we get to the 4th line where it has R-A-L-L, meaning rallentando, meaning slow down. And then odd tempo in that next measure, the last measure on that 4th line, odd tempo meaning back to the original tempo. So I went. Also, notice how I played the note D in the 4th measure of the 4th line on the 3rd beat. That D, I'm making sure that it's connected to that. I didn't play. I made sure I played. Notice that's really going right into that little F chord. There are a number of problems here that you have to work out before you can play this in tempo. First of all, getting the chords. Let's take the chord on each of the first beats on the first line. So I would practice going. For information, these are really all F chords with a different top note on it. It's an F chord, and then what we have is an F6, and then we have an F major 7. So we're hearing that chord, tonality F, throughout that whole line. Notice how I want those chords to ring out. The next line we have on the 2nd measure, small F chord. When I'm playing that A, I'm already getting the C and the F with my first finger. Then, nice chord, huh? holding that B flat. So the last measure of the second line needs to be connected to the first measure of the third line. A little C7 chord, C sharp, and then part of a C9 chord. Still key. Throughout that line, most of the time I have my fourth finger on D. On this chord, the second measure, going to the next measure, going to the B flat chord, and the next measure. So it sounds like this. Hold that A, hold the G sharp. That F chord again, small F, get the E flat, right? Then notice, really I'm holding a chord that you will learn in a little while, the B flat major 7. B natural. You've played this chord before. Make sure you get the F with your fourth finger.